For most men, TRT isn't the hard part. Changing the life is. Before you head to the comments, let me explain. I am not saying testosterone doesn't matter. It absolutely does. Your protocol matters, resolving your symptoms absolutely matters. And yes, there are nuances. And not every man responds exactly the same way. But for most men, once the right dose and frequency are found, TRT itself becomes fairly straightforward. So why do so many men on TRT still feel stuck? Let's get one thing straight. I am not saying TRT is easy because it doesn't matter. It matters a lot. For me, it was life-changing. I genuinely cannot imagine life without testosterone. Getting your protocol right matters. Most importantly, resolving your symptom matters. But with a good clinician, most men eventually find a protocol that works well for them. And for most men, that's between 100 and 200 milligrams per week, with small percentage of outliers on either side. Once you find the right dose and injection frequency, TRT becomes relatively straightforward. You take your medication, you monitor your progress, and then that's it. So if testosterone isn't the problem anymore, what is? The problem is we live in the age of same-day delivery and instant gratification. We want everything now. And if we are honest, many of us expect TRT to work the same way. It doesn't. TRT is not Amazon Prime. You don't start TRT on Monday and wake up on Tuesday feeling 20 again. It takes time for your hormone levels to stabilize. It takes even longer for your body and mind to adapt. And sometimes your clinician needs to adjust your dose. Maybe once, maybe twice, or even more times before you really find what actually works for you. That can take a while. Your body and mind didn't deteriorate over few days. They deteriorated over months, years, sometimes decades. So don't expect them to recover overnight either. This lesson took me the longest to understand. Somewhere along the way, we start expecting testosterone to solve problems it was never meant to solve. If you are hoping TRT will make you rich, save your marriage, or add 2 inches overnight, you may be waiting for a while. TRT gave me more energy, but it didn't train for me. It didn't prepare healthy meals for me. And most of all, it didn't make difficult decisions for me. The uncomfortable truth is that many men spend more time looking for the perfect TRT protocol rather than becoming the man they actually want to be. These things are, always have been, my responsibility. TRT gave me the opportunity to rebuild my strength, my habits, and my boundaries. It started with one small change, then another. Over time, I added another habit. Become a little stronger, more disciplined, more confident. Months turn into years. These small decisions have compounded. And looking back, that's what really changed my life. Not the perfect protocol, not a secret dose. I was taking responsibility for the man I wanted to be. One habit at a time. If there is one thing I would like you to take away from this video, it's this. TRT can absolutely change your life. It certainly changed mine. But it will not change your life on its own. What you choose to do with the energy and clarity it gives you, that is your responsibility. I would love to know what's the biggest thing that's stopping you rebuilding your health right now. Let me know in the comments. I will read every single one. And if you are serious about understanding your health, I have created a free blood test guide that I believe will genuinely help you. You will find the link in description below. If you enjoy honest conversation about TRT, health, and rebuilding yourself after 40, I would love to have you along. Join me by subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.